Hey, was ist los, jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Und heute habe ich ein Kunststoffmodell aus dem Anime or Movie Anime Neon Genesis Evangelion Thrice Upon a Time. To be honest, I don't have idea on what is this anime movie about. Although I'm a fan of the previous anime during the 90s, but the reboots and the reinstallment of anime of this Evangelion series right now is I'm not really familiar, but I still love the designs. I really like the Evangelion, second to the Gundam model kits. And right now I have here the Kotobukiya Neo-02 Alpha Cannibalized version. So this is the Evangelion of Asuka Langley, and honestly I really like the model kit of this, although it doesn't look like the traditional Asuka Langley Evangelion, which is the red humanoid mecha, but this is it's like a cyborg version of that. It's very nice, wields a very big machine gun. And speaking of the Unit-02 Evangelion, I have here also the Unit-01, which is from Shinji. This is the Unit-01 with the Spear of Cassius, and yep, I will make this the partner for this 02 Alpha. But we're not talking about this because I will build this later, and I will just keep this for a while because I'm planning to build this in Germany if I can go there immediately. Anyway, let's focus first on this cannibalized version, and let's check what's this all about. So, fangen wir an, los geht's. So the box art here shows the Unit-02, and I really like the face of this model. And yep, we can see it has 4 eyes, but the other eye here in the right side of the face is blind. And yes, it has so much accessories on him. There's this big backpack, and I think this is a missile pods. I don't know. And there it wields a very big Gatling gun, and it has a cyborg arm here, which is very nice. So this is not the to call this is asymmetric type of model kit, which is I like the most for model kits, the asymmetric types. And there we can see the rear view, the front view. Yep, it has a big Gatling gun here, and there it can fly with this big chunky armor and big weapon here. And it has here the plug as a weapon, and it has blades also. I forgot the term for these blades. And there the gimmicks. The plug can be like this cross type stake that it can stab to angels to kill them. And the other side of the box, you can see the accessories. Yep, there is this booster here, massive booster, massive Gatling gun, interchangeable hands, and there it has the interchangeable plugs there, the unwielded and the wielded state. There are 2 blades here like this, and some I don't know these rods. It looks like Nagato Pain's rods on the back. And there we can apply or put all the armory of this kit. There we can see the Gatling gun being held by the right hand and the two blades being held by the left hand, and it has the plug there, the buttocks. And so if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, which is very nicely designed or themed instruction manual. It looks like a top secret file, really top secret. Yep, it says here top secret, so it's like a top secret file for a military operation. And there we can see the printout here, so it's all black and white, and judging by the amount of runners here, it's not that much. There are no complicatedness that I can see in this kit. I think this is a very easy kit to build, and their all pieces are chunky, and I think I can finish this within 3 hours, depending on my speed of building. See, it doesn't have complicated parts, unlike your master grade Gundam model. Anyway, there, the back of the manual, you can see the decals applications. There are decals here, and there the color guide if you want to paint it by yourself. So let's check all the runners here. We have chunky runners here. It's like militaristic green colored runners for the backpack. We have red runners here for the Gatling gun and the hand parts, and we have gray parts here for the inner frames. We got here militaristic green and white runners for the plugs and the blades of the kit. We got this plastic parts, chunky plastic parts for the machine gun or the Gatling guns, and we have olive green parts here for the armor pieces. Then we got gray parts here for the inner frames and joint parts. We got also water slide decals for the contrast for the green parts. And there we got some militaristic green part here for the backpacks, and I think this one for the missile hatches. Correct me if I'm wrong. Black parts here for the inner frame of the Evangelion. So these are for the right arm. And black parts again for torso. We have rubber hands here. So these are the hands for the right hand, the hands for the right hand, the right arm, I think I should say. Then we have this olive green for the backpack parts, and we got so much small runners here for the detailed or the detailing parts. So these are yellow and white for the right arms, and we got green parts here and blue parts there, small pieces of plastic. Then we got brown colored parts here and black POM plastic here for joints. I think this is for the hands. And there we have pre-painted parts for the face of the Evangelion. So as always, before we build the kit, let's have a quick runner review. But I must say that despite of the simplicity of this kit, we can see that this kit doesn't have so much parts, and most parts here are chunky plastic. And despite of this look, this is the most, or one of the most expensive kits that I have. And I bought this around 7,000 pesos from Sam's Model Kits. And thank you very much, Sam's Model Kits, for selling me this Evangelion kit. And he's my trusted shop here in the Philippines. Sam's Model Kits from Shopee Ph. Buy on his store, and all items are original and legit. So okay, we go to the parts here, the chunky part here, which is militaristic green color here for the booster, and this is runner F. And we got red runners for the Gatling gun, and this is runner A. We got runner B here for the gray parts. And for militaristic green runner, this is runner G. And for the weapons, the blades and the plug, we have here runner O for white colored runner. We got gray runners for the Gatling guns, and this is runner E. Most parts here are chunky parts. Another chunky parts for the backpack, and this is in olive green color. We have runner I here. Then we got the gray colored runner here, and this comes in two sets. These are runner D for the gray runners inner frame. Then we go to smaller runners here. We got runner L for the arms and torso. We got two green runners here, militaristic runner for runner H. And there we got some smaller olive green runner here for runner J, and another runner J. So we got two sets of runner J here. And finally, we can go to smaller parts. We got runner C for, I think this one for the torso parts. Runner P for gray parts. Then runner K for the yellow orange runners for the right arm. We got runner M for the white parts. Runner S for this indigo blue, and runner R for this green small runner. So be careful when cutting this runner to avoid the accidental loss of these small pieces. And we got runner Q for these POM black plastics here, and this brown colored purplish brown runner, which is runner N for, I think this one for the neck of the Evangelion. Then we got these rubber hands, and it reminds me greatly of the G Gundam Master Grade model kits, where we have these rubbery hands for the model kit. Then we got these pre-painted parts for the face, and this is very nice. I really like model kit company that goes with pre-painted parts. So there for the eyes of the Evangelion. Then we got these water slide decals for the color contrast for the green runners. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos if this video or if my videos are all informative to you. And I thank again Sam's Model Kits for selling me this Evangelion. And this is one of my favorite kit that I plan to buy since 2023, but unfortunately I had got budget tight in budget this 2024, but still I managed to buy this. Thank you and God bless. Goodbye, take care, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat.